botani bantu bomqhuba igama lami ndingusilindilwa kwaLufelo uMampinga umbhalo kaQosha into umntwana ingabe noboya ifuna abantwana ifuna abadala bethuna obubuso niyabazi so akukho kuninzi enza ukuthetha ndithi ndiphinde ndambuyisa ngoku iwari yami uba igula likamtyina lo mntana usagoduka na guys ningalibali bethuna subscribe ni share ni like bethuna ni comment uluvo lwenu ukuthi libalulekile whether it's a critic or it's something that you're suggesting. We don't take any comment of you lightly ngoba singaba abantu singabo ngoku kungenxa yenu. Guys ndiniphathele lapho uTenmaziyo ke ubizwa ngobuthibo kunale ngoma yakhe entsha ayishaye lapho bala
yibo labafana abashaya kung fu suke isiphithi sivuka itsayifuna abaningi funa abayithu busudlala lokho yabalabala kuyasikora ibhakabhaka
futhi lokho nje nalo lenje
uyazi lapho angilona nje ibhaba cabanga angilona but ke umsebenzi omuhle mengubona ngiappreciate ngiyikhosi
kahle umanifestile lento yabo because uyikhiphele ngoma before even uyikhiphe
ngiyayibona potential phela like half squad ngidlala ibhakabhaka so ngiyarecognize but ke khosi for life
noma kwenzakalani yofana
Clama Boys
uzoluza amafan fanele ngisho ukuthi ufavor
no like angithi ngisowetho yabo so ngapha nanga yabo ayuthi laba bangiyabazonda but ke ikhosi yabo
awukuzazise lapho wemfana kaManxumalo
awe Thibo lo ufala basemntuba lo ingane kaManxuma lo umgazo sobe yithu masipholisa dina samakhosi adina amakhosi akaZulu ubiyele umenziwe indaba ezithe engaphakathi emalayithini ula noSli.
Yes nizile fanele nami ungenze ungibhalele intro yami engizongena ngayo you like mine
ithini
Botani ma Africa mahle botani bantu bomqhuba igama lami ngikusilindwa kwaLufelo uMampinga umbhalo kaQosha into umntwana ingabe noboya funa abantwana ufuna abadala yiyo
awuzange urap like I think I was rap before. Yeah, you sound like a rap. You can rap if you can.
I don't even know how I came about this, but yeah.
Inibongo zasekhaya lezo.
Zasekhaya zakuboma, yeah.
Yeah, man, that's dope. Benze ngiyayithanda lento le ukuthi umuntu ebenezibongo zakhe
because
it symbolize
it's our identity yakho.
Ungabona singamanika kanje kodwa inike lumzulu engahlaba
And do you know what is abantu bomqhuba? People of the dust. Of the soil. Yeah, singabantu bomqhuba, people of the soil. Yes.
Sengicabanga umqhuba mina yazi umqhuba.
Umqhuba le yasesibayeni. I understand that. Yes, we are people of the soil. Yes.
That's dope.
Inathi siyasho ba ngumqhuba lo but kwa umqhuba you can say people of the soil. City aba guys. Bethuna lo budi yabona we like there's nothing to introduce about this person because he's been here. Sekhaya, you know. Alika kudla igoli since ufikile la usewuyeka ngakhe ekhaya
nje December holidays Christmas New Year's ngisekhaya and nje ngibuye January and then yeah
good
and I think March
manje ma Easter
masuzophela ama Easter
konje wena nama holiday ayi4 enyakeni
yeah you know how we do.
Ayike kungcono because asifuna ukubona sewuqhamuka kokhumbula ekhaya lapha na sowufuna ekhaya ngoba wena usafuna sudidwe igoli manje.
No ngisaya ekhaya.
This is my curiosity here.
Yeah.
How do you juggle between your profession and your craft?
Yo man, I would say I've been doing this thing for the longest time, so like now it's very easy, you know. And umsebenzi ongusebenzayo it's demanding when I got that isikhathi esikhona because by 3:00 sichayile, so I have
umaka ni ncwadi abantwana.
No, phela after during school hours
okay.
Nami ekhaya mangisendlini. Yeah, because I'm not always busy every day. So khona into ezinye and then I do on weekends, so yeah, it's okay fun. So it's easy.
Ngoba wena ke you are a free spirited person othanda uyidlalela Nkosi yami.
Yeah.
Udila kanjani labantwana abastod like bengibheke one of your segment because of ulokubonisa ama part wama video. Ngithi mara lo thisha lo for sure labantwana laba nje akabaphanishi laba benza into wrong.
No, funny story yazi ukuthi like they there on my TikTok, on my Facebook. They know like my videos and bahlezi benje bekhuluma ngawo and my songs and stuff. But ke akangikwenzi ukuthi kusiphazamisa because bayazi nabo ukuthi mase sisebenza masihlala siyadlala siyahleka yabona so nabo I think shuthi ngasho ukuthi cool teacher yabo because bayasho labanye ukuthi mina ngifuna ukufana nawe ngibukela kuwena yabo so yeah but bayazi ukuthi base like masidlala siyadlala sixoxa but masifunda siyafunda mina ngifunda maths so isikhathi sokudlala asikho so kumele ihlezi yabo
so and there's this crazy question that I want to ask you, right?
Yeah.
I know you love your craft so much.
Yeah.
Talent lakho noma una 60 noma una 100 talent lakho. Do you see yourself upusha your profession for your longest time, like as you're juggling now, or is there time with cabanga ukuthi you need to choose one between the two?
Like I think the teaching part angeke ngiyeke noma kuthiwa mhlawumbe ngiyayeka from the Department of Education, so I think noma kuthiwa mhlawumbe sengiyayeka khona ngiya resign or retire mhlawumbe I'm more of the entertainment still kuzoba kukhona some teachings ngizoba ngwenza maybe especially to the young kids coming up, so I think vele kubo teach into esegazini, so either way ngikhona ngapha or ngingala, so okwamanje ngoba
okay mhlambe you mean that mhlambe ungayekela ukuteach maths but you can teach
like
kids to be
the
better
hustle,
to
the
be
game, the music side, the journey, and I mean like talk about my journey and stuff, so I think very teaching it mina, so I don't think ngingaye so noma kuthiwa ngiyayeka ka department, so vele la kuzofika la khona mhlambe the entertainment side singibhizi ngalo ndlela ukuthi I have to, but okwamanje ngisaenjoy ngisakhona.
It's ngikubukisa something. Yeah. Do you see ukuthi unyaka ugijime kanjani? Around last year this time we were here.
Besikhuluma ngakho lokho like actually last week like nje time ngazi ukuthi ngiza la.
Yeah.
It's yazi how ngazi
it's been a year.
Mina what a coincidence ukuthi ngaba ne interview run ngalesikhathi.
Yes. And but it doesn't feel that long, isn't it?
No ngathi nje into ayizolo.
We had a sit uneviki ufikile goal.
Yeah.
How has a journey of
so I have a year now.
Yeah. It's a year.
I'm chosen now. You can't tell me I'm chosen.
How has it been for you? Because ngangineviki ngihleli nawe lana uqeda ukufika eGoli and now unyaka. How has the journey been for you being a Joburger now?
Man, it's been
by visit your hustle back.
Yeah, man,
yeah.
It's been up and down, good, bad, fast, slow, about the mixture of everything, so it's just overwhelming because ngeke ngisho ukuthi nje smooth kuphela. There are days la ku smooth khona, there are days la ku rough khona, there are days la kumnandi yabo, so it's a mixture of everything, but ke all in all nje ukuthi I know it's been a hell of a year, kuningi kufundile and from ukuqala nje phansi because bengumuntu ofana ukuthi ngiqala phansi because life yami beseThekwini, so ngala didn't know anybody, the guys, the Resonation guys ngahlana online, and now we are tight as brothers now, so yeah, it's been a journey, man, and isaqhubeka isitimela simile half train fast, so yeah.
And then the family now sometimes it dispute, how do you guys overcome conflicts, you and the brothers? I don't want to say Resonation now because you're brothers. How do you overcome the conflicts? Because it happens.
Yeah,
it's life.
People should know, vela.
Yeah.
I call. But again, because we know the bigger picture, we know what the vision siyazi ukuthi sifune vision eyodwa, vele singabantu ngeke sibone nje lefanayo ngesikhathi, yabo imoya izophakama then nje kube because yazi singamajita ke siyakwazi like there's this way amajita even club beside twani ngabangani kuphela into eniphushayo, amajita ayakwazi nje ukumaneuver around inking and then they find a way ukuthi yabo.
Okay.
So nathi kanjalo, but we do have a meeting la khona, we talk about izinto, we stress stuff out, we call out each other yabo, but yeah, I think it's part of, and I appreciate ukuthi kanjalo because if kanjalo it's true, it's genuine.
It's genuine.
Ukuthi khona
pretenda nayo
mhlawumbe uthatha to heart lokho abi ngequbu until so yeah, it's good working relationship, I'll say.
And then now
Yeah.
wawungangiphathelanga mina Skip esefamily.
Manje ukuthi manje ufuna ukuspoila isurprise mina futhi masiqeda la ngithi nje wala.
Oh, ngisheshe ngapha. Guys, the last time wayelana uThibo, he did mention ukuthi back at eThekwini he had a printing company, isn't it?
Yeah. No Limits Printing Solutions. Yeah, sasilapha Commercial Road binge. Sashawa COVID and stuff, but yeah, we had a brand up a crew and nje namanye ama brands senzela abanye abantu ama brands abo, but yeah.
Are we back now?
Yeah, I mean, you can see I'm looking fresh. I've been looking fresh. Nje ngasi ngakusendela ama pictures obavezela abantu la izansi.
Yeah. And then ilokunjana iskipa sabafana bekhumfu sona sisitholane.
Sani?
Abafana bekhumfu. Ese Resignation abafana bekhumfu.
No, there's something esisebenza kuyona for the Resignation as a brand, so
nabafana bekhumfu.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yabona ufake that ninja ndondoni. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, as even my kids they say that ngifundisa
kung yeah, so yabona nami
just saying a line nje guys.
So ngiyistempa ke nami.
Yeah,
I'm stampering it. And then where can they find your t-shirts?
Yeah, nje ngisesha lapha na konke ama digital platform such Crew Life, and then uzobona ama pictures there, and then khona ama numbers ukuthi ufuna uWhatsApp ufake order or uDM ufake order.
Crew Life ka KRU ne guys.
KRU, yeah. And then we siyakhuluma, you order, we deliver everywhere, Africa nje covered indawo.
And then are you open to people coming to you having an idea of printers abezikipa? Are you open to print amanye ama brands abanye abantu?
For now no, yabo, because most of my machines engangiwasebenzisa at the office, asele eThekwini, and abanye khona amajita ngibanekile and stuff. So for now no, because anginayo machine, the guys engisebenza nabo for the printing.
Okay.
Engine nabo, so for now I won't say abantu ngabenzela. Uma ufuna lokho ngiyakuplug ukuthi
where to go.
Yeah, I can,
because it's a clean, very clean. Nizwile ke guys, if you want to be part of the member ye Crew Life, ya go ma social platforms wonke ufike uthi Crew Life uba DM, then they will attend. Ukru ka KRU. Nizwile angisho. And then now sisegoli phela. Yazi ngiloko imagine life yakhe eGoli. eGoli. I've seen your craft no Masompisi. I've seen your craft with Ukile. And then now you're busy with music videos, bruh. Tell me about the journey.
Yeah, we just shot 2 music videos. We Balabala, the one Kung Fu one, and the other one Tatiwe.
Yeah.
So we're still waiting for about channel all up because of any premiere before we be out. So abantu expect soon 2 dope music videos, and then I have there's a collaboration against with Sleepy Chi. It's a hip hop collaboration. There's 2 music videos in Kolmanga, the Amapiano. This one, engisebenza kuyona Sleepy Chi like we shot it's an album and 20 songs, but it's a shooter 10 music videos.
Okay.
What? Yeah. So after I've dropped these 2 music videos, then we're gonna be dropping that. Yeah.
Did you say you did EP at 20 songs?
Yeah.
And then you
shot 10.
What?
You know, like
I get it.
Yeah, but like let me explain what science kanjani so that lalo umuntu ekhaya to 10 kanjani. Let me tell you how we did it.
Yeah.
So it's eThekwini, we booked a house.
The time Benise benihambile in eThekwini ne Resignation. Was it last year September or when?
Last year May, I think.
Was it May? Your guys
May
time
or
fly.
What? Yeah, time fly. May or June, I think.
I think it was June. Summer holidays got June.
Yeah, maybe June. Yeah. June. So we booked a house, House in like bedrooms, like 3 bedrooms, bathroom, lounge, kishi, pool.
So benibuke Airbnb.
Yes.
Okay.
Like yabo. And then what we did ukuthi eCameroon we shot we saba creative we shot like a whole video eCameroon. And then a lounge we shot another video like being creative with space as a lounge. A bathroom, we also used the bathroom to be creative for like each and every
ne pool,
even the pool side. And then we went outside ngakhona lo ndawo khona a basketball court. We did something else there. So corner store, some parked cars, we did something there.
Like all of these you did it in a week?
No, in a weekend, from Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
What? Were you sleeping, guys?
Yeah, we sleep late, like
yeah.
So like everything is scripted before, like we plan so that because we know what's time. Waste time is not like this. So everything is scripted, and then you say as we see this is what we should do. Kishi, there's a video like so you can count. You would see Kishi, lounge, bathroom, garage, pool,
basketball court,
camera. Like you can, and we made 10.
Wow.
So yeah.
For sure, after that, you guys, you were exhausted, isn't it?
Yeah. It was a hell of a weekend.
And then now, what would you say to that person who's getting into this craft? Because this craft, guys, requires money. Yeah. It requires a lot of money before you get even money back. Oh my God. Like, there's one thing people don't understand, that you spend money so that it can be a success before you even get money back. What would you say to that person who's trying but uphelelwa ngamandla endleleni lokuthi lento le ayingibhadali no ngibhadala mara ngiyakhipha.
I would say kuze nje bathi ngisho ukuthi my journey like Joe's ukuthi smooth, dry, high, low and stuff. Most of it's because of your imali ukuthi imali ayikho, because imagine uyafika endaweni entsha ufika uvula phansi ufika ngithi awunambede
malanga sasihlelana ulala esponjini
anginesponge
ngitshele ulala esponjini
anginesponge angawuthi ubhede anginesponge nje ne throw ngafika kuthenga ngathi ngifika because moment
awunalo neketnis
inhlahla ke like my neighbors angafica lapha nginike ikhethini
umusa
ngangine throw banginike ingubo because wakubanda ngifika banginike nengubo.
Mara wena ucabanga ukuthi uzolala ngethrow, ucabanga ukuthi kuseThekwini la?
Mina like it's chill. Hey man, ngiyabanda bangibona bayabona ukuthi ngiyagodola bazona ama tiles. Yeah. So nje kunzima because yabona vele uhlanganise yonke into zasendlini.
Amabhoda ekhona kodwa nestove.
Like lutho
fridge wawudle estradini nje.
Lutho next. Because nje ngazi ukuthi kumele ngihambe phambi like a day, like I'm going the day after tomorrow. Then I book a flight. Ngihamba nesikhwama nje sincane. Isikhwama like is enough, and then
ngathi umuntu obuya manje.
Ngathi ngiqoshiwe nethu. Ngithola indawo. Ngiyabona ukhokhe radio deposit into kuyabiza. Then ahlala so ngapha senze tour and stuff
ngapha umzali.
Kuyahanjwa ngithi phela tour kuyadliwa kuya transport wise abamanje sekungcono sibonile ukuthi
sla yes ashesh ngonyaka guys, it's possible. Yeah.
So nje spin so umuntu ufuna ukungena like aka expect lokho ukuthi no akukho lula as it look, because mangabuka ama posters hlezi si happy posting content, si happy hlekisa kube kanje, but it's not as glamorous as you think. But into engakwenza ukuthi uqhubeke if unothando, if uyithanda like yabo, because if uyithanda ngempela ke uyiyekile yes ukuthi ish
Kune-void.
content misa is something missing and ngiphathi if ubona abanye abantu beyenza so especially awubazi like uyavuka so leyo nto leyo void lohlezi
kuba nefomonyana so
yeah like missing out so if we turn just keep on doing it nje slowly by surely into ehleze ngisho ukuthi zibuza ukuthi yini oyenzile today to get you closer to your dream like every day
yini oyenzile to get you, what did you do today to get you closer
to your dreams.
Wow.
Like that's the question you should ask yourself every single day ukuthi noma kuthiwa ukushutha lo really nyana noma ukusenda lo email noma kuthiwa something nyana nje oyenzayo to get you close to your dream like even besides music
anything
type a CV or nje ukufonela lo muntu okuthiwe ngakusiza but did you do something today to get you closer or did you do nothing no so you have to kancane so vele ama small wins masiwahlanganisa is going to be a big win so yeah so nje keep on doing it keep on keeping on I would say
keep on keeping on unga give up ifunele lo phupho lelo kuthi iphupho iphupho kuthani
phupha lifumnikazi asaphila
esaphila
yeah
and at the very same time kuthiwa ukuba nethemba ongalisebenzile uhlala uhlele ethembeni
ne
yeah
Chwa uNkulunkulu sizoyisizayo
I understand
njalo yeah so you have to push up panda
ngifuna ukubuza umbuzo stout
yeah
how are you overcoming the girls in Joburg because it's very, I mean we all know I mean you're a good looking man you are in the industry and girls are always there how do you keep your focus like uma music video my babies be talk bala
yeah baze bangibuza like you were shooting a video and this one ngithathiwe so kodwa ama holding scene laphana baze bangibuza but where's how do you do it
yeah
it's be like yazi my mind is not even there like ula emsebenzini mina like yeah bethi ngizosebenza la namantombazane ngoba angisithole futhi nesikhathi because ngiyaphuma ngemsebenzini like ngiyathanda ukuba busy ngiyathanda ukukeep busy nje kakhulu so that I can avoid zonke lezo zinto lezo like I've been there done that I'm cool like nje manje ngifuna nje ukusebenza ngibe indoda ene value ikhona value
indoda ene kanti so nawe unalento ukuthi kuthiwa indoda azinkomo zayo so uzoba nazo kanjani inkomo uma ungafocusanga
but that's true man like chase the paper and then the girls will chase you rather than chasing the girls
without a paper
just,
it's impossible to chase the girls without a paper
kunzima
so you chase the paper
the girls will
chase you
yeah
other than chasing the girls without a paper
yeah so follow the money because girls
everything else it's gonna money in a nutshell money will unlock everything
yeah Twani there's this thing but see money is not everything but money gets me everything I need yes
and then how do you overcome when you feel homesick
video call yeah phone most of the time yeah ngingazami zinama phone manje so ziyafona yabo nje ifoni yami excited
kancane
kuyafona edona abantu like isuku video call edi umuntu like
that's so cute bangakanani konje not
yes
ifirst ba uthune so umdala ungakanani
umdala 10
and then lo munye 10 and 8 badala labo bantu
ngakho nje ngoba ngithi ngiyacabanga leminyaka ngiyasho ukuthi
then thina sinabantwana mina nginomntana ona 20 what do you mean what do you mean
yabachela ubukela ukuthi umntwana osevarsity
varsity
become accounting ayeza ama MG soon
I am a varsity mom so ungakhulumi ngobudala please
no please asikho badala
and then how's the journey with you being part of a family resonation besides now remember we were talking about the brotherhood but now we're talking about the professional part, and what is it that you think when as a person you should add, what should you subtract, what are you expecting, and all of that kule journey. Uthe ukile makahlela nathi sicela ningathathi Resignation kancane, it's a big record label and we are coming.
True.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
I like the spirit. Yeah. Yeah, man. You see, since I started to be serious kakhulu music from my varsity days, I've been praying for a team. I need a team, like a team. Okay, it's like abanye abantu ke kuba khona mistake ukuthi team kuba ithina sonke siyacula ikujala ukuba nzima lo team yabo kazi kafuneka ukuthi siyazi ukuthi team khona umuntu oshuthayo khona umuntu oshaya beat khona abaculayo khona oyimanager like nje konke umuntu adlala
Ice Boy nayo iyadingeka
iro yazi ukuthi like mhlawumbe ungasho Ice Boy umuntu orana ama errands yabo umuntu orana ama errands yeah so umuntu unerole so yeah very lapho sivele ne common goal ukuthi uyashuta udedicated uyashuta editor lo indeed ebhalwayo ama proposal yena kanjalo ngokuhlahlukana umuntu unerole yakhe amala ayidlale ukuze ihambe i-engine so say abantu bayidinga into kanjalo ukuze ukwazi ukuphumelela so nami I've been praying for into kanjalo so indlela ezingithola abantu ke ngahambi
nifuna uba ngoBeyonce nonke ulokhu hlangana nabantu abafuna
really like nothini Thetha asikho page nelilodwa noma asikho spirit se hustle esifanayo omunye uyadlala because the moment oyededlala omunye ephusha vele sekuzobhela yathi mesonke sifuna ukuphusha and lokho kwenzeka kalula if umuntu adlala irole yakhe because siyakwazi ukuthi irresponsibility yakhe uyazi isiquestion wena ukuthi mfethu wena you are responsible for ukushoota why isingena content yabo nje uzwele umuntu ecela shooter like ngathi mina hey biza ba because umsebenzi wakhe uyazi ukuthi uyena mela ashoot uyazi noma ukhuluma loba umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi mina akhuluma so umuntu odlala irole yakhe so nathi siyacela so I've been praying for into kanjalo ukuthi I need a team man like I need a team because nami ngithi I had my own even before ngifela being a company yami ngisayine mina ngizenzela mina yonke into before I met the guys so I've been running into kanjalo yabo nje uthi so ke kwase kuyenzeka yabo njengama like awuboni phela vele makwenzeka ukuthi this is a thing I've been praying for until uhlehle now reflect ukuthi how now I have a team how khona umuntu osekhuluma on my behalf khona umuntu ukuyena responsible for the content khona umuntu abo for ama video khona like nje this is a thing very is set up ngangifuna so
arrived
ifikile uthi awunaki so njobo ngibuza like ngiya reflect nami ukuthi uyazi how
is it you never until this moment
like until ngirealize ukuthi it's the team isenza iflow ngalendlela le ngangihlambe ngivisiona ngayo then lento phela vele yenza kubantu ukuthi masofikile lapha ubuni because we always gunning for more so yeah
and then now I heard ukuthi you had your own record label so you registered and everything
it's still there
are you thinking of syncing it with Resignation in future or how are you planning it?
Siyasebenzisana vele with my because
you're still wanting to keep it active.
Yeah, it's active but ke I would say because ngiphile vele kakhulu ku vision amajita anayo that's why ngathi ingame but ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngemuva
pusha one iqala leyana masefika leyana izodonsa le
ngifika ngene ku vision yamajensa nayo then ngathi I know angimi kancane because nami bebekhona abantu bengisebenza nawo but ke futhi kungahambi kahle nami ne distance futhi sigcine kanje so ngoba ivision ikhona la vele sasebenzisana kufana ukuthi basebenza in my company isebenza nami ukuthi I'm part of Resignation kanjalo
and then since ufikile lana is there any point where you felt like you want to give up njengokuthi bekunema ginqa gonqo nanani isikhona i moment where fuck ngiyayeka mina yonke lento
look ngeke mhlawumbe ukuyeka khona la ngithe nje I'm taking a break.
Okay.
Yabo kwenzeke nje last ngathi yo like ngiyama nje kancane like libi clear my mind angibe umuntu normal nje ngime kancane because the money is not there. Ikweleti ziningi from because I want izikweleti ukuthi from nje the movement okade kweziwa because njengoba wathi ushidinga imali music. So the man is not there. Ikweleti zizela izinto zenze. So I was like okay, let me take a breather. And because ngibona into ebishaya khulu transport yabo because like
Ubering
yabo nje njoba sila suka Alex from an interview like daily nje nezolo some kanjalo.
But it's better with Mone motor than the Ubering was too much.
It was uyasuka la sekasi
with 200
yabo emesebusuku west yabo. So cabanga mina movement and stuff because shoot music video imali from shooter something so everything is money. So I had to like take a breather and give me kancane ngibuyise ngizama ukusave ngikwazi nami ukuthola okusana khuzana kube lula.
Well done man.
Ukumove. So yeah.
Well done.
Nje akusafani kancane ngifika ngePorsche next time. Kule
ngizwile guys Mulomo uyadala. Mulomo uyadala guys.
Ukuthi ufanele hey Porsche next time.
And then have you ever faced a challenge ukuthi kube khona iminyango eningqonqozayo bavala izicapha and then bese ufeel some type of way?
Sijwayele le rejection. Ukuba rejected sashela rejectwa so rejection we used to it. So yeah, it happens all the time man. All the time. Yeah, it happens. Abantu bethathe kancane in the industry, abantu amanye ama artists yabo mhlambe ayibona vele ku level no aku level vele ngaphezulu kuyakuthi bonus ishathe kancane. Yeah, but izinto zakhona like comes with the territory, so we are used to it. Sesinam.
I like how you perceive this whole thing. I wish I could have that spirit, yeah, because mina I take everything into heart and ngivele feel discouraged ngenye indlela ngivele nje ngifuna ukushiya phansi.
Not like phela sithatha to heart. Yaklimaza like true like uyayizwa but then uvusele voice ekhona uthi no man.
Yeah.
Like kunjena vele.
Yeah.
Sort your own like we can't change it. Some other things we can't control. So we just let them be. Any
projects that we need to look forward to so far?
Yeah, man. As I was saying, the music video too. Yabalabala, featuring Tax Music, Lava Boy. AQ music video is done. Short.
Yeah. No. Now I'm back. My name's a music video. Being Sasha go soprano. From now on, guys, let me know for everything. I'll avail myself. Sing buile na mimpilo. Sing nyalulama. Yeah.
So yeah, people should look at for that. We have a music video and then Gitatiwe music video.
Yeah.
Very
dope. In Gitatiwe, who are you? We collaborating over?
Pretty much on piece. Very dope video, but unfortunately, Pretty much on piece couldn't make it to the video. So Keely was there. Playing the parts because the music video is like Sialobola.
Yes, I saw I'm a glimpse
from the picnic.
Yeah.
I propose. Yeah, and then lobola
into the romance into zakho kahle
ne. So I think zangilandela because I was like, yo man, why all the songs level ngoma like iyafana nale.
No mama.
Like yo nale khona ngayenza uthando lwakho. Yeah, like zangilandela lezi and we have more music nokide.
Yeah.
Hamsana kanjalo we have more music so yeah, so they have these 2 music videos coming and then after that I'm gonna drop these 10 music videos. Probably by June, July we're gonna be done dropping all those. And then I have other piano song lined up NGA corner and then Kile will be dropping EP yake and shout out to Resonation yoke ngoma lapho ngikhona.
Yes.
Shout out
all rounder.
Yeah, so
irole yakhe ngithi njengoba abantu benama
we've been working, so
Yeah.
it will drop us soon. I'm not sure with the date. So because I'm a single, that's what I keep. I think this month and next month. So yeah, and I'm there. Goes working on so thanks for the opportunity, guys. So uzongiza nje ngapha.
Yeah.
Ngapha.
So khathala nje ubuso bakho nje.
I'm there.
Yeah.
In your face.
Are we going to Sasmas this year, guys? When ningihambisa ngedwa kwi-Sasmas?
Sasmas.
Yes.
Was
The South African Social Media Awards that I always attend. This year siyayana ngomhla ka 23 November. Cela nifake i-theme ya this year ngizontshela. Guys, let's go interact with other people because
I mean I very just I was telling the chance ukuthi like akoma ngitshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuba busy because that's the thing we should be doing. Going out there attending. Very siyafuna ama opportunities
sesinemoto manje, come on.
Easier
Come on.
shout out to God, man.
Shout out to God. Ngicela ubiza ama social platforms wakho lapho and then nokuthi your music streams where to find.
Yeah, man, it's T-Bo SA across yonke indawo.
From
Social media to Spotify, YouTube, everywhere. So it's T-BOE.
Yeah.
SA.
Kitty Bowe. Tibo.
Yeah, you can say some other people they say like that. T-Bowe. Yeah, actually it's T-BOE SA everywhere. And then excuse me, Crew Life. Session at Crew Life corner footy. We won a match there. Amazing match. Yeah.
Can you tell me, I see familiar faces there and it's our late. Why? What inspired that?
Yo man, all these guys I'm a legend time of it. Like Nkule Ngabo, like almost both. You can see Mandoza. Mandoza is one of the first guys ngabalalela growing up early 2000s. Ibona bangezangela ku music like
Bona
Mandoza and them. And you can see Pro Kid and Mpinda Gabi. Because I think 3 times. Pro Kid is a legend. 3 times. Pro Kid na wangfa with hip hop. So like from Kwaito, Mandoza to hip hop, my inspiration.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the late Abu aka Makado, Costa Teach, DJ City Life. Hip hop guys. About inspiration. Cool.
It's a cute one.
Yeah.
I was curious about it.
Yeah. It is a shout out. I think this design. I think it's 2 years or 3 years ago. Just after AKA. I think I made it just after AKA. I was like,
and then let's go back. We grow every day.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you discovered that you would wish you've changed in your younger self? Ngangikubuzile lo mbuzo last year.
I've changed with my younger self. Nje vethu uthi go out there ngasabi because mina ngikhule ngisaba nginamahloni. Ngingenayo confidence, ngeke comfortable in my own skin. Yabo, until ngiba mdala ngaqala ngayithanda ngokugcwele ngabo ngazi appreciate, ngayi accept. So that's the thing I would do from an early age. Understand ukuthi ezinye izinto angikwazi ukuzenza like ezinye nakhe ngikude kukhona and stick to it. Because nje bayazi ke abakhule ekasi. Okubudlela ibhola ekasi. So thina sikhula siboza like basithatha kancane uyaboza aswayo.
Winkomo.
Winkomo. But I'm good at music. I should have like forget nje ukuthi ngam.
So you tried to fit in.
Ngiyangihlungumezi ukuthi I can't ngagijima. I'm running them no. I feel accepted with no man boy because I was doing music at that time. I was like
boy you slick when and this is where you should be.
Yeah, like nje fully on because namanje because at work we do play soccer.
Okay.
And ngiyangena ngidlala ngiboza with confidence because I know what they know ukuthi uyaboza kodwa it's dope.
So you do it.
Ngiyadlala ngihleke ngiboza kube ijoke but I know ukuthi awungihit.
I affected
because bayazi ukuthi no uyaboza kodwa go check
and you've dealt with it.
Go check him out. He's this and that. He's a musician.
Yeah.
He's got this, done this, done that. So yeah.
I like that attitude. So fanele sisamukele neyiphene zethu ukuthi I'm not good at this and it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Like it's fine. There's a lot of things I had to accept. No, it's fine. As khweleyito ke yabona lamagents bazoyizwa ukuthi well accept sawulona ichama. Like faith accept ukuthi wena ingane uyithola kanzima. Ungaphathi kabe umuntu amanye out. Ayithola nje faith fast wena uthi uzwamebuka esibukweni uthi yini wrong ngami. No, outside.
That one was komoda. The only time uzothola amantombazana iba nemali.
Accept ukuthi okay mina I'm this type of dude with anginanyuko. Shuthi mina ngihambe ngiyophanda ngibe nemali ingane zongilana. Angiloni ichama. Yebo. Into kanjalo. Yebo. Izinto mele
But do you think how many out of 10 how many guys do accept that?
Kunzima accept lento le abantu yabashaya igcine umuntu esezonda lamajita athanda weyingane ethi isitabane.
Oh, like for more especially kuthiwe laba abafana abamhlophe kuthiwa amadenon.
Hayi sweet le cheese boy lo. Yabo ngoba umuntu yamshale ukuthi izingane ziyamfuna yabo. Kanti like wethu accept zizazi ukuthi sengibonile.
Yeah.
Uthi mina cha izingane. Ingane ngozingithanda mase ngihlale nazo ngihlekisa ithi how shame yena une personality right shame
manje mawungatholi naleso lamantombazana mangakunikeze nespace sokwenza ama jokes ke
no phela work thola imali like but lethi ngishoyo abanye amajita azore omunye umuntu like if
yeah
true ngempela
even
young boys they go through this thing
and then why when ucabanga ukuthi it only happens to guys.
Must be very hard for girls, ne?
I'm just asking.
No,
what makes you think it's only guys who feel ukuthi angisiyichama? What makes you think that women have to reach a stage ukuthi okay mina ngikhomuhle and it's okay. Mara ke maybe athi ngimile kahle or mina nginento zami. Like what makes you think that us women we don't go through that?
Nekuthi angaze ngibheka ngalonje but it's true like and I think it's more worse kuningi.
That is why kunale joke ethi I nawe ke nasozosicacisela ngecheraki ngathi hamba ngeX-ray.
Yes.
Yebo? So you explain ukuthi yena unenhliziyo enhle.
Yabo.
Bengekakubuza ukuthi manje
so I mean it must be hard nakunini ngicabanga nje abak-approach abakushade.
Yeah.
Kodwa uyafuna mhle lapho uyafuna like to be involved or somebody.
But to tell you the honest truth, when it comes to that, I think being a teenager, I was bothered. It was a challenge. I'm just saying. Like, but now,
it's nature, very. It's nature, because
as I grow, I need phone onto le. No matter once you tell them, no, I say kubuhle udala sengimdala for the thing it's tiring. Yeah,
it must be hard for girls as well. Man, yes, I didn't think like that, but that's my chance. Zame manje mfethu accept ezinye izinto vuma mfethu. Nice trees.
So, what is your favorite top 3 songs locally currently and favorite 3 songs international?
Just they better, right? Even if we are moving with the guys, it's music quiz, right? We play most of music quiz. So saying outdated, but again, way bad. I can't know my personal space ngaleso sikhathi. Maybe buza by umduthi LP wenze ingoma ngicamisa akaba ya track naba maybe buza njani vele the song is nice. Amanxeba.
Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah.
Yeah, that one. There's this song by Elaine. Elaine. This song by Elaine J House in about Jazz work. Jazzworks nabothusukela I can't forget, like I can't remember isiculo kanjani, but yeah, those the three.
Those are the songs, but most of times it's your music.
Yeah, man, we are playing nje ingoma because mujama ndidlala projects likakile.
Yeah.
This Sunday we record because Freedom G ukhona nami ngikhona nje nabanye abafiki.
Freedom G eqeda ufika senine ingoma enizenze. Excuse me, together.
Yeah, I think just the
anina niyalala nje.
Sasa efikile konye kubona nje zamlanda sengise stage backstage.
Like nilala nini?
Amen. So liphumule icebo lethu. So the following days I'm in the studio. We did 2 songs.
Yeah.
Very, very, very nice songs. 2. Yeah. Freedom G. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Talent ilkhona, guys. Like, hi. What would we say to that that someone or part of Resonation, how they can approach you? Because of, I know Guti Usoprano is Katasning. He's the one who discovers abantu ne. Let's say there's someone who's Tembilo was you Guti talent, and we are Fisuba part of Resonation. What can they do?
I think they should talk to the guys. They should DM the guys, but maybe be serious. The craft job can be ready to work, like
even ready to relocate.
Yeah,
when no freedom.
Yeah. I mean, I was relocate and ngangazi ukuthi ngizohlangana nama-gens. I was like ngiya-relocate ngiyi-1 ngiyoqala ngizobona. And fortunate enough ngavanga ngathola ama-gens. Then we so if should be but kunzima like kumele ube ready, kunzima mfethu. Kunzima. But they should DM the guys to Resonation Records. Nama-numbers abakhona lapho. And then we present umsebenzi wakho. But bengakusho kumele ube serious, ukhombise ukuthi serious. And then they will help you.
Is there anything ubukhalela ukuthi sikhulume ngayo engayi-edanga?
Nah, because we talked about my brand, man. I'm happy. I'm happy because ngifuna nje ukuthi ibuye kakhulu. Yeah, man. Okunye ngikhuluma ngicela isibook abafethu.
Oh yes.
Isibook abafethu. Like we have ama sets now, like we want to perform to abantu. Then isibook. Oh nje ngasibook as a trial mhlambe size nge-transport sifike lapho nje sifike sikwenze into yethu sibone, and then next time usikhokhele because we need the money.
We need to eat.
We need the money, man. We need the money. So then ukuthi sicela ama-donation sithini so ngicela nisibooke nibone umsebenzi wethu, otherwise check umsebenzi wethu online nje from onke ama-artists ase-Resonation uzobona ukuthi siyadeserve ukuthi sibe
Resonation Records kuma-social platforms wonke, uhambe uyobhekana ku-Soprizi. Usoprizi abantu ngo-Soprizi ne? Usoprizi nje ayina SA ayina nix.
Soprizi.
Uphilani ngubo.
Angiboni ibiza ngophilani.
No, I think unguSoprizi, but I think kunalapho ema-linkini wakhona ibhaliwe. So ngenzela ukuthi ungalahleki kuma-links uzobona uphilani ngubo. So go there, check the craft. Njengoba eshilo ukuthi Thibo-BOE kuma platforms wonke. If you want to book them, just DM them. Go and stream music wabo kuwo wonke ama-digital platforms. Bengisacela ke na bhuti wami usiphe word of the day and then usivalele yona.
The word of the day ihlezi ifana, sengiyishilo already ukuthi because it's my word of the day every day.
Okay.
Ukuthi zibuza ukuthi what do you do today to get you closer to your dream? Every day before ulale zibuza ukuthi yini oyenzile namhlanje ukuze usondele eduze nephupho lakho.
So it's your word every day.
Even usuzolala zibuza ukuthi kusasa yini engizoyenza noma kuthiwe incane kangakanani to get me closer to my dream. Then ke kancane uzobona lelo phupho lakho.
What did you do today to get you closer to your dream? I'm gonna start living like every day, or maybe finding lokho ngibhale every day. Like if ngenze something to write it down so that I feel discouraged, ne?
Yeah, otherwise let me close it up. Kahle bafethu uThibho lo umbana obasemtoba lo ingane kaManxuma lo umgazo sobethu masipho sidini samakhosi ade namakhosi akaZulu ubuyela undaba ezitha uyazi sengizoba i-host a ghost futhi angifusi we out.